Okay, so we have your base ship up here, and the first thing we're going to want to do is center the pivot on here because it's not quite centered. To do that, you want to go to Modify and Move Pivot. And if you're going to look through this mess, you move that, and we have your pivot is now adjusted. And click on Move, and now your ship is the pivot of your ship is centered. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to clone the ship. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to Item, and then Clone, and Clone Item. And in your case, you want, what, 3? So we'll type in 2 because we already have one. So now if we go to Scene Editor, alright, so we have 3 base ships. 1, 2, 3. So with the first one selected, let's move it someplace. And we'll just go ahead and move it down, maybe to the left a little bit. And then the second one, let's move it up, maybe to the left a little bit, and let's move it, I don't know, over here. Alright, so with our third one selected, let's just move it over here, and we'll move it down. Okay, so we have 3 base ships. Alright, so you want to rotate them slowly. So we'll start with the first one, and we'll just go to Modify and Rotate, and we'll just slowly rotate it. Oh, wait. Let's undo that. Let's go back to 0. Need a keyframe, so we'll do 200 for now. So we'll go all the way over to keyframe 200, and with the rotate on, we'll rotate it till it gets to 30 or something. So now when you do this, it will slowly rotate. Da, da, da. So we can do the same thing and make sure we're on frame 200, and we'll type in 30. Alright, so now you have 2 base ships rotating. Da, da, da. And 3, do the same thing. 30. Da, da, da. Now we can make them rotate a little differently, but that's a topic on another day. But right now, this is kind of what you have, and that's how they rotate. So, anywho, let's bring up the perspective view, and let's get our camera in a nice, cool position. So right now we're in perspective. If you select camera and you go here, viewport layout, match viewport perspective. And since we have the camera already selected, we just click on that. And so now our camera is in where we were looking. Easy peasy. Alright. So we'll go back up and let's select our light, and we're just going to move it up and out of the way because it's annoying. And let's change this to camera view. Okay, so this is what our camera is seeing. And let's put it in VPR mode so we can kind of get an idea of what our light's doing. So that, yeah, that looks pretty mysterious. Da-da-da. Okay, so with the camera selected, we want to go into render globals, and camera, and we'll go ahead and set it to 1920 by 1080, and we'll get like 13 because that's good. And we'll always do like 2 or 4 because it's always good to have good light bounces. And it's up to you if you want ray trace occlusion or not. This is not really necessary for space scenes. And anyways, we'll hit F9. And don't ask me why it's not doing the F9 thing. Oh,